and got some exclusive footage just for this vlog. You have to have an appointment at Chrome Hearts to go in. People walking out with bags. What is going on, guys? Just here, OV update, back again with another video, man, and we are here to talk about the Chrome Hearts collection. We also have some in-person footage of the car. My boy, my cousin down in Miami, hit up the event and got some exclusive footage just for this vlog. I'm gonna put that montage together for you guys a little bit after this. But we're also gonna talk about the release of the Chrome Hearts Certified Lover Boy collection and how impossible and hard it was to get for the general public to get our hands on, which really sucks for big fans like us of Drake. Can't even get our hands on the collection. Only big Chrome Heart clients and celebrities are getting their hands on this. I even have footage of the celebrities walking in and out of the Chrome Heart store in Miami, buying the collection, people walking out with bags. It's a whole scene down there right now in Miami. So definitely stay tuned for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And let's get straight into it. So we're gonna start things off with a bit of a timeline, starting off earlier this week when we first saw the official leaked photos from Chubbs and other friends and family members in the organization, either in OVO, part of Drake's crew, or actually friends and family of Chrome Hearts. They all got sent the PR packs. I know Hidden NY actually got it for himself, Quavo, and a few other rappers. As soon as we saw this coming, we knew that they had something in the works and was definitely gonna see a release date. Later on, Chrome Hearts officially dropped photos of the collection, from the jeans, the hoodies, even the books and the bears. It was a huge collection. It's really unfortunate that we weren't able to get our hands on this online, because the collection was beautifully done, from the hoodies, each having their own unique touches to it, the sweatpants, even the jersey, yes, even a jersey, I'm gonna show you guys that, and the jeans as well, the $2,000 vintage Levi jeans. Now Chrome Hearts also did announce that they're gonna be having the Rolls-Royce Drake Cullinan on display at the Miami Museum, something like that, some museum in Miami, and you had to sign up for that online. Also, not to mention the graphics done on that website was insane, so check that out if you haven't been. Anyways, it was a whole event, big deal going on, and of course Chrome Hearts made the post and the caption was exclusively at Miami Chrome Hearts store only. No online release, no in-store release anywhere else in the world but Miami. Here is the catch: you can't just walk in and grab a hoodie on May 1st, which was the first day it was available. You have to have an appointment at Chrome Hearts to go in. So you gotta go on their website, you gotta give them a phone call. If they answer, that's if they answer. My boy had to call 10 times before they picked up the phone. So by the time they made the post on Thursday or Friday that it was releasing in store, the appointments were already full until Tuesday, which is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's 4 days after the official release day. So by then, it's probably already too late. A lot of people didn't even know Miami was appointment only. They were just showing up and trying to get in, but of course they were denied. Anyways, my buddy who lives down in Miami was actually able to check out the Chrome Heart Rolls Royce, and he got us some exclusive footage. So I'm gonna roll that for you guys right now.
Pull up with an Instagram model, ayy. Now less than 100K follows, ayy. I'm ballin' and feel like I'm Lonzo, ayy. Fly right straight to Toronto,
So I hope you guys did enjoy those clips of the car right there. It is absolutely beautiful. The full leather interior, the Chrome Heart emblem on the outside, the Mansory body kit, absolutely beautiful. But anyways, after that, he headed to Chrome Hearts, where he was maybe gonna try and find a way in there, see if they're gonna do any walk-in appointments, anything. He wanted to try and find a way to get something at the store. So he headed down there, and of course, just like 30-40 people chilling outside the store, just standing outside, not even being able to go in. Of course, black Escalades, Suburbans, Lamborghinis, Maybachs, all sorts of kind of cars are parked outside Chrome Heart. Celebrities walking in and out, influencers, people, friends and family of the brand. Not even regular customers are being able to go inside the store. Here's a photo of Food God exiting the store with a bunch of bags.
The Food God, bro.
So when you actually do get in the store, they have a crazy setup with the wheels. As you can see, they have the rim on the Chrome Hearts stand right there. And of course, they have a huge setup for the actual collection on this bookshelf. It looks so nice, the clothes hanging there with the bear as well. A whole setup, as you guys can see from the photos. What a beautiful store they have over in Chrome Hearts Miami. But again, it's unfortunate that none of the general public really can just walk in and take a look, even just to look, not even to buy the clothes. Anyway, so we tried to make one more call to try to get an appointment, and now the day I'm filming this, Sunday, May the 2nd, they are now filled up until Saturday. So a whole 6 days from now, which is insane. Pretty much the collection is gone, sold out. No point of even making an appointment to get a chance to buy this hoodie or the collection at all, because I'm sure all of it will be gone by Saturday, which is really unfortunate. But if you do really want a hoodie, apparently they're selling for like $1,500 upwards to $3,000. The jeans are on sale for $11,000. It doesn't make sense to even be purchasing hoodies and jeans for that kind of price, especially at an inflated resale price. It's crazy. Other than the release format and how they dropped this stuff, the collection was beautiful, from the books, the bears, the hoodies. I love the details on every single item. The jeans as well, that wash is crazy. And honestly, shout out to Drake and Chrome Hearts for doing this, because the collection really is beautiful. Let me know, guys, if you were able to get your hands on anything from this collection. If you were down in Miami that weekend, comment your experience down below. Prices on the hoodie were like $550. The jeans, I'm pretty sure retail was around $2,000. If anyone wants to hook me up on the hoodie for retail, hit your boy in the DMs. But anyways, guys, I hope you did enjoy that bit of like a story time release day video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We out. Peace.